Hello guys. Okay, this is Randy from EcoWay. Today I show you how to change the heater. This toilet is deluxe and it had no hot water, so we have to check to see if the flow meter is defective or the heater is broken. Okay, so last time I already showed you, right? This is the heater and there is the fuse here, so we use the meter device to check, and we know that the fuse is broken, so we know exactly 100% the heater have problem. So we have to change the heater. Okay, so the heater, there are two little screws on the left and right, so you have to unscrew it. Okay, so you can use the screwdriver to unscrew it. On both sides. Okay. Okay, we put away. So this is the heater. There are two connections. One is the power line here, and another one is the heat temperature sensor. Okay, so you have to use the flat screwdriver, and you put here, you push it up a little bit gently, and very easy to take it out. Is the power line. Okay, have positive and negative. Okay, and another line is the white color. Okay, so this go to this side, and right here you have to use the flyer, okay, to hold it and pull it out. So remember, the head is a yellow color, so it's go here on the motherboard. You see have two spin, right, and yellow color, so you won't forget it. You have to remember the yellow head go here. Okay, so two connection already take out, and there are two little white hose connected to the heater. So you also use the flyer to unlock. You see there is a little lock here, unlock, and also there is a little clock under here, so you have to unlock on both sides. So after, easy to remove your flat driver, and you can push gently to remove the hose pipe. Okay, I will zoom out a little bit for you to see. Another one, you push up gently and slowly. Make sure you don't damage the hose pipe. Or you can use your fingernail, and push it out. Okay. Okay. There is a 1, 2, 3 round line connected to the heater. So you just use the screwdriver to unscrew it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to remember which one, go to which one, because they are the same. This is for the raw wire, okay? So they all connected to the heater. So you're done. Take it out and replace it with a new one. Okay, so you do the same thing to change the new one in. Okay, thank you.